in today's video. Sorry I'm getting over a cold. Well, we're gonna begin a new series kind of here. Kind of started a while ago. Got to know my friend LeBrandon right here. And I remember he has a Civic just like mine. So we decided there's a lot of things on it we have to fix up. We've been fixing it up, as you guys see. Occasionally we've been doing things to it. So here's a major piece that we have obtained. Parts are coming in for it. It's kind of give you an idea of the direction that we're going to go with this Civic. You want to open it? You want me to?
All right.
All right, I'm going to let him open it so I can film here. So we'll start with we'll start with the big box. If you do this box, you're going to know what it is. Start with the big box right here. You're going to go ahead and open it. And we're going to see what we have acquired. And we got this one for a really, really, really good deal. I got to do sides.
Sure.
So, I'm open this up.
The blade is dull.
No, it's not. He's going to put on the blade side, sir. How about you use the proper side? He just put a lot of things. He just wanted to make sure that it was protected. There you go. Go that way. Anticipation, man. Like, come on, man. There's a lot of pieces in here, so once you see what's in here, you're going to figure out what's in that one. So let's look at what we have acquired. I think your package is pretty good. So, and there you guys go. Just gave it away. We have us, yes sir, a supercharger kit. The only thing it doesn't have is the Honda, which we'll pick up on that later. But we have a Kraftwerks supercharger kit. Things are wrapped up. The piping for it. And you kind of see right here, I'm not going to unwrap it because I'm not going to obviously install it today. He did do a bow valve. This guy. So we got all the piping right here. Okay. We have this right here. We got Rotrex oil. This is the oil for the, obviously the charger. More piping. A lot of piping. Supercharger kit. And here, got your miscellaneous hoses and your oil cooler right there. Actually, he gave us two different oil coolers. So we have the one that came with the kit, and we have a better oil cooler. Right here, it sounds like bolts. All right here's your random gaskets and your old school diverter and stuff like that. And the stuff in there, that's good. So far, good. Upper piping. Lots of piping. Got that bag right here. There are more miscellaneous hoses and filter. Can't see a little bit. I can get it out. But there you go. Come here. Filter right there. That's good. Reservoir for the supercharger. And you have all the stickers. You gotta have the stickers, guys. Come on now. Kraftwerks. add to my sticker collection right here. But this, so you guys know, this is legit. It's a Kraftwerks kit. As you guys saw from the instruction manual, you always say stickers, man. He even gave you a pair of Nikes. No. And the Nike shoebox is gonna be more miscellaneous stuff. Hoses. Yeah, hoses, the belt. Need the belts. And of course, you guys are gonna ask for the pulleys. The pulleys right here. He actually gave us 3 different size pulleys. The kit itself only comes with 1 pulley, but because he used it and kept up getting smaller and smaller pulleys, he gave us all the pulleys. I guess a pulley right there. Let's see. The small pulley right there. Obviously, you guys know how superchargers work. They're pulley based on the pulleys and stuff. And then, I'll put that up. Package is pretty good. And then we have the last box right here. Open that up. And we have our air filters. You have the filter that came, or cheap Chinese filter that came with the kit. And you have the quality filter that he upgraded to. So he gave us both filters. Brand new. Awesome. This guy actually did the most, man. Got extra parts that didn't come with the kit, as well as on the piping. All right, so obviously that's our piping, that's the hoses, the pulleys, You can imagine what's in here. Go ahead and open this one up. You already know what's in here. Be careful.
Yeah, because it's a smaller box.
No, I know what's in there. Be careful. Go ahead and slice it from the top. Tape, but we finally got it done. And here you guys go. As you can see, it's a black series Kraftwerks. That's the intercooler. So we got all the piping, all the extra pulleys, extra filters, intercooler. Only thing that we're missing is the blower itself. The blower is on the way here. But again, I wanted to get this video out for you guys, show you the direction that we're going. And we got this for a very, very, very good deal. Took a while to get things worked out with the guy. But once we got it worked out, we got the ball moving. He had to find out the pieces because he actually went from supercharged to turbocharged. So it actually worked out in our favor. So yeah, here's all the pieces that we got. And we're just waiting for the blower to come in. As soon as we get the blower, once the blower comes, I should say, I'll show you guys the blower. But these are the pieces we need to boost Brandon's R18. So I'm kind of excited about it. But again, just like he's kind of doing what I was doing a couple years ago, guys. You know, buying parts, we'll collect them. The only thing we're gonna for sure do is suspension mods are coming up soon. But we're trying to buy things as we go along. This was an insane deal. You guys know how much these kits cost, and so we got it for a good price. I mean, like good. So couldn't pass up on it. So we screwed up on it. So you guys have any questions? Post them down below. Again, this is the R18 Kraftwerks kit. This is the Black Series kit. Got the instruction manual right here for the R18 platform. Right here, all the pieces. And we're going to, soon enough, we're going to go and pick up Honda. Obviously, we need to pick up Honda before they discontinue it. So that's probably what's coming up next. The Honda. And obviously, once the blower gets in, I'll show you guys the blower. All right, guys. Have any questions, post them down below. Again, it's going to be a quick, short video. Roughly about 8 minutes long, just showing you the new parts that we got for this car. We also got, which is not here, we also got a full coilover system, right? We got the Wasteland coilover system as well.
Yeah.
Same coilovers I have on my car, so you have that as well at the house. No need to show you guys that, but we do have that as well. But this is the most exciting part. Power adders, boost. So next thing's up, we need to get Honda. Make sure we get a Honda to Brandon, because we need a Honda to run this.
And also build an engine.
Yes. Easter egg, you know, I'm supposed to say that. But yeah, possibly build a motor too. So obviously, if he does the same route I went, we do built motor. It'll be interesting to see or push the supercharger as far as we can push it. We got 3 different size pulleys. Obviously, we'll go with the smallest pulley. Probably add meth injection just so we can create power easier. And to see what the R18 Kraftwerks supercharger kit could do. There's several people with SIs that have Kraftwerks kits in around 400 to 500 range, pushing them. So it'll be interesting to see how much power we can get out of this kit. I mean, we got it now. They're going to discontinue it probably soon because the EPA. So we might as well see what we can do. But again, we'll see you guys next video. Just excited. We got these parts. As soon as we get the blower, I'll give you guys an update once we get the blower. Peace.